Distance, 49 miles from town. Arrival time, 8 p.m. Sharp. You get all that?
Yep.
Alright, get ready. There's going to be a lot of people in there, and we're going to have to shut this whole party down.
I was born ready. Dude, are you okay?
Hello everyone, Sketchpad here, world-class detective and advertising model. Are you tired of not being able to see things as they truly are, in full detail? Well, with this revolutionary product, those problems will go away in an instant. Introducing the VisionTron 6000! With this nifty little thing, you should be able to see things in their true beauty. Don't believe us? Well, here's what one of our satisfied customers have to say. Just say something like, "This is a really good product."
Yeah, it's a really good product, and you should buy it.
Isn't that just so wonderful? But hold the phones and remotes, my friends, because right now we have a special offer. If you order this now, you get 3 VisionTron 6000s for the price of 1. So, what are you waiting for? Dial now!
Does anyone else feel that?
Ah, hello, chicken wing. Hey, where's the floor? What the?
Sketchpad? We have a problem.
Say over! Over.
I found Ring's body. We need to regroup right now. Over.
That's not good.
We'll be heading over. Over.
Another one down, Sketchpad. Mouse is dead.
What? Speaker! I need to see her.
We shouldn't waste any time. Our first priority should be finding a way to get out of this
You know
mansion.
what? I don't care.
I'll go look for an exit.
Hey, wait for me! 75 bottles of beer on the wall, 75 bottles of beer. You take one down, pass it around, 74 bottles of beer.
Could you shut up?
Oh, sorry.
We'll never get out of here. All the doors are locked from the outside.
You know, maybe the real doors were the friends we made along the way.
Don't count me as one of them.
We'll have to pry it open. Perfect! GPS, can you grab this crowbar and pry the door open?
No, I don't think I can.
Alright then.
Here's another bit of trivia. Did you know that Woody from BFDI's specific color is Harvest Gold, while his shade is Fire Blush, and his outline is...
Please stop talking.
You know, I haven't heard from Speaker in a while. Need an update from Big Orange Chicken. Over.
Guys, I need your help. Come to the kitchen. Over.
This isn't Big Orange Chicken, but since you said over, I will listen to you.
Wait, what happened to Speaker?
Not sure, but whoever that was clearly understands proper walkie-talkie protocol. Let's go. We're here.
Ah, good. You certainly know a thing or two about punctuality.
What happened?
I don't know. We got split up.
Wait, how'd you get his walkie-talkie then?
What? Yes! I saved the day!
Oh, cool.